Salut à tous, c'est Magali, the Daily French Lesson, and today we are talking about the possessive adjectives in French. Ça, son, and c'est. If you're new to this channel, I help you to learn French on your own and to speak French with confidence. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell icon to know when a new video is out. Today I show you how to use ça, son, and c'est in a sentence, in a conversation. You use it a little bit differently than in English. In English, it refers to who owns the thing that we are talking about. In French, the person that owns it doesn't matter. What matters is what is the thing that they own. Is it feminine or masculine? I'm gonna show you. First of all, we're gonna talk about ça. Ça is used with a feminine noun, singular form. Elle promène sa fille. Il se promène avec sa sœur. Fille is feminine, la fille. Sœur is feminine, la sœur. It doesn't matter who is doing what with who. What matters is who they are talking about. In English, we would say she's taking a walk with her daughter, or he is walking with his sister. Now, let's see how to use son. Son is used with a masculine noun, singular form. Elle mange son sandwich. Le sandwich. Il sort son chien. Le chien. She's eating her sandwich. He's taking out his dog. The exception to the rule, of course, is that son has to be used with a feminine noun that starts with a vowel, singular form. Elle appelle son ami. Il fait visiter son île à sa femme. L'ami, feminine, l'île, feminine. Because it starts with an A and an I, it has to be used with son. She's calling her friend. He is showing his island to his wife. Is there a part that you don't understand? If yes, please let me know in the comments and I'll make sure that I help you to understand this rule better. Now, how to use c'est. C'est is used with a feminine or masculine noun but plural form. So it doesn't matter if it's feminine or masculine, it's always gonna be c'est. Elle vend ses habits. Il regarde ses enfants. Je mange ses gâteaux. She's selling her clothes. He's looking at his kids. I eat his or her cookies. Les habits, les enfants, les gâteaux. If you understand the rule, please write an example in the comment and I'll be happy to tell you if it's right or if it needs to be adjusted a little bit. Please let me know if you need a video to explain how to use mon, ma, mes, ton, ta, and tes. Bye!